2024, the year ahead from your favorite numerologist. 2 plus 2 plus 4 is 8. And so, healers, this is your time. The soul of the world has come into a place where we are now working through the ideas of healing, the transfer of prana, of life force. And this is your year to shine. This is your year to choose consciousness over comfort. This is your year to step into all the gifts that you have ever received, that you have become aware of in your own identity, in your own knowingness about yourself and your place in the world, and for you to step forward. Why? Because the world needs you. Why? Because we are on a trajectory now of creating a new path forward. And who else but you, the healers, the consciousness risers, the divine feminine, the new wave of thinking and being and showing up in the world, showing up out of love rather than fear. This is our time now. So if there ever was a moment for you to shine, this is your year. The soul of the world has this year 8 cycle, and you have your own cycle. If you want to know more about your personal numerology, please book a consult and let's get that going for you so that you know how to contribute actively to your life and you can remove any doubt and fear that it's not real. Lots of love. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Like and follow for more.